Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is AG Sarah, and today I'm gonna walk you guys through this quick weave. This is the first time that I'm doing a quick weave, and I did make a few mistakes which I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in this video. I'm also gonna be sharing some tips and tricks that I use to achieve an undetectable quick weave, so stay tuned to the end to get some of the tips and tricks. So now I'm going to start off by parting out the leave out, which is the hair that I'm going to leave in front. I'm going to braid this in two sections, one at this side and the other one at the other side. And for the remaining hair at the back, I'm just going to braid that all back, the normal all back. The hair doesn't have to look perfect. You're going to have a wig cap on, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going in with this hair growth serum. I just want to have this on my hair while I have this hairstyle on, just to help my hair grow. Then I grab my wig cap, and I'm using the black wig cap. I'm going to place this right on top of my head and spray with some Spritz. Then after spraying with Spritz, I'm just going to use my hand dryer to dry it out and make sure everything is nice and dried. The first mistake that I made was using the longest length or longest inch of hair bundle at the bottom instead of at the top. Avoid making that mistake if your hair comes in bundles, inch bundles like mine. Go in with the hair bond. I'm using the normal hair bond I got from my local beauty store, and I'm placing the hair from ear to the second ear in a U form, starting from one ear and ending at the other ear. So that is the form you're going to go till you get to like the mid section. Then once you've gotten to the midsection, you want to start going straight across the line, straight across your hair, and placing it just like I did. If you have any extra, you're going to cut it off and remove that, it is not needed. Then dry as you go. And the reason you want to dry as you go is because you're making sure that the hair is intact before placing in another one on top of it. So you're going to make sure you use your hand dryer to dry as you go. This hair didn't really take a long time to finish. I finished this hair like in 2 hours, and it was my first time that I was trying to figure out how I was going to do this hairstyle. And when you've gotten to this stage, you're going to start placing it straight across. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You can watch what I'm doing and follow. You won't make any mistakes. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. So once we're done, I loose the weave out and I comb that out. I did stretch the hair, which I didn't feel like was necessary at the end, but I did that anyways. And after stretching the hair, I went in with some of my Flexi rod, which I used to coil the hair. Now the key to get like a seamless coil blend with your natural hair and the hair bundle is grabbing some of the hair and using that to coil in with your natural hair. This is just going to give like that seamless finish when you're done with this hairstyle. So I did this for every other side, and once you're done, you should have something like this. I'm gonna spray it with Spritz just to hold the curls. 3 days after, I didn't record the next day, but the third day, this is how the curls were looking. And the reason why it was looking puffed was because I just stepped out of the shower and I accidentally poured water on my hair, so I didn't wait till when the curls got dried before I removed the Flexi rod, which made the hair just puff like this. To avoid this mistake, make sure your hair is dry before removing your flexi rod, even if you had it on for a day or two. So now I'm just gonna style this hair in the way that I wanted it. The first day I did this like side part, and it was giving me this bougie vibes. I really liked how it turned out. This is very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next day I had it styled like this. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Bye.